So I am going to show you how I order print from this website called Printswell. I have an account with them, so I can just come to their website and then click on order here. And this will take me to this page, which you need to have an account with them in order to do this. But it's very simple to get an account. You just need to fill out the form and then email them. And I'm creating a new order by clicking start order, and I will select my product type, which is the flat card, and it would ask me what size, which is 3.5 by 5, and what paper. I like the thick paper, so I'm going to they have different paper size you can select from. And do you want print on the back? Yes, I do, and I'm going to do full color print on the back, so it's 4/4. And here I will select my quantity. I would probably, I think for now I'm going to do 80 cards. And because I've ordered with them before, so here are my my address is all fill in. And I go to next step. It will ask me this is a variable print job, which is not order quantity, bagging free, 1 page PDF representing the front of the product too. Okay, so here they ask for a separate PDF file. One is for the front and the other is for the back. So I'm going to head back to my Illustrator. File, save as, and save, choose the PDF here. And you can do it one by one because Printwell, they want the front and the back as a separate file. So you can do from the range, you can select range 1. And here I would just say, thank you, Printswell, and what you call that, front. Hit save, and we want the preset to be PDF X-18 2001. This is according to Printswell's instruction. And I'm going to include the bleed, so the file is slightly bigger than 3.5 by 5, and hit save. Blah blah blah, I don't care. And then we're going to save the back as well. So save as, the same thing, and instead of front we're going to do back, select as PDF, and do range 2, hit save, and then again PDF with bleed, save as PDF. Okay, so let's go back to our Finder. We'll see you have this back and the front. Okay, now let's head back to the website. Here we can upload our file, front and the back. And then we can go to next. Next is finishing, die cut shape, no. Drill hole, no. Corner, no. Envelope, I don't need envelope because I made these into postcard. I'm adding it to my cart. So now I have this product with the cart, because you can probably do multiple products at the same time in one order, but I'm just doing a postcard. So here it will show me 3.5 by 5 flat card, 4/4, which means 4 color in the front and 4 color in the back, double thick eggshell. Yes, that's what I want. And there's the price of it, blah blah blah. That's pretty much it. I just need to hit submit order, and then you're good to go. So here we have the final product from Printswell. Again, this is a 3.5 by 5 flat card, and I'm using this as a postcard. So I chose a very thick paper. This is a 240-pound double thick eggshell ultra wide paper. So it's nice and sturdy when I am sending out as postcard. And I didn't choose any coating on this paper, but it's still very vibrant and nice. And the details are showing very crisp.
as well as on the back. The font is quite small, but it's still very nice and crisp. So I really like the quality of Printswell, so I hope you also give it a try. And comment below if you have any questions, or you have also other good suggestions that other printing services I should try out. Let me know. Thank you.